Plascide technology generates a plasma field of micro-lightning within the air, effectively destroying any germs and neutralizing volatile organic compounds. HEPA filters trap germs within the appliance, but not kill, while ultraviolet takes a long time to destroy. Ozone can be harmful to health. Photocatalyst oxidation, PCO, requires germs to be close to the treatment surface, but its efficacy is severely degraded by dust buildup. And ionizers briefly attach germs to nearby surfaces, but do not eliminate. Plascide is proven to be statistically more effective in destroying germs than all of these conventional air cleaning technologies. Now we have effective air sanitizers to help the most vulnerable people in need, such as the sick and elderly in nursing centers, and to prevent another epidemic. Products utilizing Plascide technology for people with various needs are available now. Air Halo Portable, a palm-sized air sanitizer which protects you everywhere you go. Air Halo Sanctuary, a compact, mobile, high-performance air sanitizer which protects you at home and at work. Air Halo Retrofit, a comprehensive air sanitizer solution to suit different air ventilation systems for buildings and companies. Clean and healthy air should be enjoyed by everyone. We create because we care. Check out our innovative products and learn more about our technology by visiting our website.